Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to lesson 4.4. Divide tens, hundreds, and thousands. Please pause to write the lesson number and title in your notebook. Today's lesson objective is I can divide tens, hundreds, and thousands by whole numbers through 10. Please pause to write the lesson objective in your notebook. Let's begin by reading the Unlock the Problem together. It says, Dustin is picking apples and putting them in gift boxes. Each gift box has 4 apples. How many gift boxes can he pack with 120 apples? So we're going to use our basic facts and place value in order to divide. We're going to divide 120 by 4. So the first thing that we need to recognize is that 120 ends with a 0. So we can take that 0 off and use place value to identify 12 divided by 4. Because 120 is really just 12 times 10, or 12 tens. So then we can divide 12 tens divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3, because 3 times 4 equals 12. So we can use our inverse operations, our opposite thinking, to solve that. So 3 is our answer. But it's really 3 tens, so that's 3 times 10, or 30. So 120, there's my 0, divided by 4 is 3, there's my 0. So Dustin can pack 30 boxes. So here we divided by 100. This next time I'm going to divide by 1,000. 1,000 has 2 zeros here at the end. So now we're not going to divide 120. Now I'm going to divide 1,200. But I'm going to pull out my same basic fact of 12 divided by 4. So 1,200 is the same as saying 12 groups of 100. So 1,200 divided by 4 is 3 hundreds. So then 3 hundreds is represented as 300. And here's our zeros again. So 2 zeros over here equals 2 zeros over here. We will continue practicing this and doing the share and show section tomorrow in class. You're almost finished. When you share you understand this lesson, go back to your teacher's website and complete the exit slip. See you tomorrow.